Welcome! In today's video, we'll explore the most impactful project management software features for effective knowledge management. As organizations grow, managing and sharing knowledge becomes increasingly vital. The right project management tools can make all the difference, ensuring that information flows smoothly, teams collaborate efficiently, and valuable insights are never lost. We'll break down the top features, ranked by their impact, and explain why each one matters. Whether you're a project manager, a team leader, or simply interested in optimizing your workflow, this guide will help you identify which software capabilities are essential for capturing, organizing, and leveraging knowledge within your organization. A foundational feature for knowledge management is centralized document storage. This allows teams to store, access, and manage all project-related files in one secure location. With centralized storage, everyone knows where to find the latest documents, reducing confusion and version control issues. It also makes onboarding new team members easier, as they can quickly access historical files and project records. The impact of this feature is significant because it ensures that knowledge is not scattered across emails or personal drives, but is instead accessible to all authorized users, promoting transparency and collaboration. Having advanced search capabilities is crucial for effective knowledge management. When information is easy to find, teams can work faster and avoid duplicating efforts. Advanced search allows users to locate documents, conversations, or project details using keywords, filters, or tags. This feature saves time and ensures that valuable knowledge is always within reach. Especially in large organizations with vast amounts of data, a robust search function can be the difference between seamless collaboration and frustrating delays. Version control is a feature that tracks changes to documents and files over time. It allows teams to see who made edits, revert to previous versions, and maintain a clear history of project evolution. This is especially important for knowledge management because it prevents the loss of important information and ensures accountability. With version control, teams can confidently collaborate on documents, knowing that every change is recorded and recoverable if needed. Collaboration tools, such as real-time editing, commenting, and chat, are essential for effective knowledge sharing. These features enable teams to work together on documents, discuss ideas, and provide feedback without leaving the project management platform. Real-time collaboration reduces delays, fosters innovation, and ensures that everyone is on the same page. By centralizing communication and document editing, these tools help capture valuable insights and decisions as they happen. A built-in or integrated knowledge base is a powerful feature for managing organizational knowledge. It allows teams to create, organize, and reference articles, FAQs, and best practices directly within the project management software. This ensures that important information is always accessible and up to date. Knowledge bases help reduce repetitive questions, speed up onboarding, and preserve institutional knowledge, making them a high-impact feature for any team. Permissions and access control features allow organizations to manage who can view, edit, or share specific documents and information. This is critical for maintaining data security and ensuring that sensitive knowledge is only accessible to authorized team members. With granular permissions, teams can confidently share information without risking data breaches or unauthorized changes. This feature is especially important in industries with strict compliance requirements. Automation features streamline repetitive tasks and workflows, freeing up time for more valuable knowledge work. Automated reminders, approvals, and task assignments ensure that processes run smoothly and consistently. By reducing manual effort, automation helps teams focus on capturing and applying knowledge rather than getting bogged down in administrative tasks. This leads to higher productivity and better knowledge retention. Integration capabilities allow project management software to connect with other essential tools, such as email, chat, cloud storage, and CRM systems. This ensures that knowledge flows seamlessly across platforms, reducing silos and making information more accessible. Integrations also enable teams to automate data transfers and synchronize updates, further enhancing knowledge management and collaboration. Customizable templates help standardize processes and documentation, making it easier to capture and share knowledge. Teams can create templates for meeting notes, project plans, or reports, ensuring consistency and saving time. Templates also help new team members quickly understand best practices and organizational standards, supporting effective knowledge transfer. Tagging and categorization features allow teams to organize information using labels, categories, or folders. This makes it easier to group related documents, track project themes, and quickly locate relevant knowledge. Effective tagging systems enhance searchability and help teams maintain a well-structured knowledge base, especially as the volume of information grows. Audit trails and activity logs provide a detailed record of who accessed, edited, or shared information within the project management system. These features are essential for tracking knowledge flow, ensuring accountability, and meeting compliance requirements. By maintaining a transparent history of actions, audit trails help organizations identify bottlenecks, prevent data loss, and resolve disputes efficiently. Mobile accessibility ensures that team members can access knowledge and collaborate from anywhere at any time. With mobile-friendly project management apps, users can review documents, update tasks, and communicate on the go. This flexibility is especially valuable for remote teams or organizations with distributed workforces, as it keeps knowledge flowing regardless of location. Notifications and alerts keep teams informed about important updates, deadlines, or changes to project documents. Timely notifications ensure that knowledge is acted upon quickly and that no critical information is missed. This feature helps maintain momentum, reduces miscommunication, and keeps everyone aligned on project goals and progress. Task dependencies and linking features allow teams to connect related tasks, documents, or knowledge items. This helps visualize project workflows, identify bottlenecks, and ensure that critical information is not overlooked. By linking tasks and knowledge, teams can better understand how different pieces of information fit together, supporting more effective project execution. Reporting and analytics features provide insights into how knowledge is being used, shared, and updated within the project management system. These tools help organizations identify trends, measure the effectiveness of knowledge management strategies, and make data-driven decisions. By analyzing usage patterns, teams can continuously improve their processes and ensure that knowledge is being leveraged to its fullest potential. A user-friendly interface is essential for encouraging adoption and ensuring that teams actually use the project management software for knowledge management. Intuitive navigation, clear layouts, and helpful onboarding guides make it easy for users to find information and contribute knowledge. A well-designed interface reduces training time and increases overall engagement. Custom fields and metadata allow teams to capture additional context about documents, tasks, or knowledge items. By adding custom tags, categories, or attributes, organizations can tailor the project management system to their unique needs. This flexibility supports more precise organization and retrieval of knowledge, making it easier to find relevant information when needed. Commenting and discussion threads enable teams to capture conversations, feedback, and decision-making processes alongside project documents. This feature preserves valuable context and insights that might otherwise be lost in emails or meetings. By keeping discussions linked to relevant knowledge items, teams can easily reference past decisions and maintain a clear record of project evolution. Role-based dashboards provide personalized views of knowledge, tasks, and project updates based on each user's responsibilities. This ensures that team members see the most relevant information and can quickly access the knowledge they need. Personalized dashboards improve efficiency and help users stay focused on their priorities. Knowledge retention policies help organizations manage the lifecycle of information, ensuring that outdated or irrelevant knowledge is archived or deleted as needed. These policies support compliance, reduce clutter, and help teams focus on the most current and valuable information. By automating retention, organizations can maintain a clean and effective knowledge base. Knowledge sharing permissions allow teams to control how information is distributed within and outside the organization. By setting rules for sharing, organizations can protect sensitive data while still enabling collaboration. This feature is especially important for managing external stakeholders, partners, or clients who need access to specific knowledge without compromising security. Knowledge capture tools, such as note-taking, screen recording, or voice memos, make it easy for teams to document insights, lessons learned, or best practices as they happen. These tools ensure that valuable knowledge is not lost and can be easily shared with others. By making knowledge capture simple and accessible, organizations can build a richer and more dynamic knowledge base. Feedback and review mechanisms allow teams to evaluate and improve knowledge assets over time. Features like peer reviews, ratings, or comments help ensure that information remains accurate, relevant, and useful. By encouraging continuous improvement, these mechanisms support a culture of learning and knowledge sharing within the organization. Knowledge export and import features make it easy to transfer information between systems or share knowledge with external partners. This flexibility is important for organizations that use multiple tools or need to migrate data. By supporting seamless data exchange, these features ensure that knowledge remains accessible and up-to-date, regardless of platform changes. Visualization tools, such as mind maps, flowcharts, or dashboards, help teams understand and organize complex knowledge. These features make it easier to see relationships between ideas, track project progress, and identify gaps in information. Visualization supports better decision-making and helps teams communicate knowledge more effectively. Linking and referencing features allow teams to connect related documents, tasks, or knowledge items within the project management system. This helps users navigate information more easily and ensures that important context is always available. By creating a web of interconnected knowledge, organizations can foster deeper understanding and more effective collaboration. Archiving features allow organizations to store historical knowledge that is no longer actively used but may be valuable for future reference. By archiving outdated documents or completed projects, teams can reduce clutter and ensure that only the most relevant knowledge is readily accessible. Archiving also supports compliance and knowledge preservation. Sharing analytics provide insights into how knowledge is being distributed and used within the organization. By tracking who accesses, shares, or updates information, teams can identify knowledge champions, spot gaps, and measure the impact of knowledge management initiatives. Analytics support continuous improvement and help organizations maximize the value of their knowledge assets. Security features, such as encryption, two-factor authentication, and secure backups, are essential for protecting organizational knowledge. These tools ensure that sensitive information is safe from unauthorized access, data breaches, or loss. Robust security measures build trust and support compliance with industry regulations. Lifecycle management features help organizations track the creation, use, updating, and retirement of knowledge assets. By managing the entire lifecycle, teams can ensure that information remains accurate, relevant, and up to date. This supports better decision-making and helps organizations adapt to changing needs over time. Approval workflows ensure that new knowledge or updates are reviewed and validated before being shared with the wider team. This helps maintain quality and accuracy, especially for critical documents or best practices. By formalizing the approval process, organizations can prevent the spread of outdated or incorrect information. Incentive features, such as recognition, badges, or rewards, encourage team members to contribute and share knowledge. By gamifying knowledge sharing, organizations can foster a culture of collaboration and continuous learning. Incentives help ensure that valuable insights are captured and shared across the team. Knowledge transfer tools, such as onboarding checklists or training modules, help ensure that critical information is passed on to new team members. These features support smooth transitions, reduce ramp-up time, and preserve institutional knowledge. Effective transfer tools are especially valuable during team changes or organizational growth. Features that enable knowledge sharing across multiple projects help organizations avoid reinventing the wheel. By making it easy to reuse templates, documents, or best practices, teams can build on past successes and continuously improve. Cross-project sharing supports organizational learning and drives better outcomes. Accessibility features, such as screen readers, adjustable fonts, or high-contrast modes, ensure that all team members can access and contribute to organizational knowledge. Inclusive design supports diverse teams and helps organizations comply with accessibility standards. By making knowledge accessible to everyone, organizations can tap into a wider range of insights and perspectives. Sharing knowledge with external stakeholders, such as clients, partners, or vendors, is often necessary for project success. Features that support secure external sharing, such as guest access or password-protected links, help organizations collaborate effectively while maintaining control over sensitive information. Search analytics provide insights into what information teams are looking for, which documents are most accessed, and where knowledge gaps may exist. By analyzing search patterns, organizations can identify areas for improvement and ensure that critical knowledge is easy to find. Notifications specifically for knowledge sharing ensure that team members are alerted when new information is available or when updates are made to important documents. This keeps everyone informed and encourages timely engagement with new knowledge assets. Metrics related to knowledge sharing, such as number of contributions, document views, or feedback received, help organizations measure the effectiveness of their knowledge management efforts. By tracking these metrics, teams can set goals, recognize top contributors, and continuously improve their knowledge sharing practices. Clear policies around knowledge sharing help set expectations and guidelines for how information should be documented, shared, and maintained. These policies support consistency, protect sensitive data, and foster a culture of openness and collaboration within the organization. Templates designed specifically for knowledge sharing, such as best practice guides or lessons learned forms, make it easy for teams to document and distribute valuable insights. These templates standardize the sharing process and ensure that important information is captured in a consistent format. Forums or discussion boards within project management software provide a space for teams to ask questions, share ideas, and collaborate on solutions. These forums capture collective knowledge and make it accessible to everyone, supporting a culture of continuous learning and improvement. Reports focused on knowledge sharing provide insights into how information is being distributed, accessed, and used across the organization. These reports help leaders identify strengths, address gaps, and make informed decisions about knowledge management strategies. To wrap up, the most impactful project management software features for knowledge management include centralized document storage, advanced search, version control, collaboration tools, and knowledge base integration. Other valuable features range from permissions and automation to analytics and sharing incentives. By prioritizing these capabilities, organizations can build a robust knowledge management system that supports collaboration, innovation, and long-term success. Remember, the best tools are those that fit your team's unique needs and help you capture, organize, and leverage knowledge effectively.